We occasionally hear about a grinding or growling noise from the drive system. The noise sounds just like gears that are stripped or slipping, but is actually caused by a misadjusted cable. The noise is the belt slipping and causing it to shudder. The customer complaint is most often associated with hills or with sudden personal pace engagement, but it can happen at any time. To correct this, just adjust the cable so it has no slack, but will still allow the machine to stop when the personal pace handle slides up. A couple of things that will help you spot the problem are checking to see if there is slack in the cable, and checking to see if the personal pace handle slides all the way to the stops. If it does either of these, the cable will not be able to fully tension the belt in all situations. If adjusting the cable so all slack is removed does not eliminate the grinding sound, the traction lever is probably in need of a replacement. If it's not engaging positively with the traction bar, it will be unable to tension the cable properly. To correct this, replace the traction lever and add 1 or 2 washers on the left side to keep it from disengaging.